Okay, guys, you are not experiencing deja vu. This video was up for a very few minutes yesterday. I did get a message from YouTube. I had to do a little bit of editing. Now I have to go ahead to put it up. So I apologize to those who did see it and to the owner of the subscription, but we are in the clear, like I said. Also, guys, I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Carly was tearing up and having a fight with a couple boxes. So hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on tonight's video. If you are new, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me yet again. In this video, we have something exciting. It is a new subscription, but not really, but kind of, yeah, sorta. I know that's a little cryptic. If you want to see what I'm talking about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes. So I know, intro, very cryptic, right? Let me just say, your girl's not ready, like not all the way. I didn't do lashes because I was playing around with, where is it? This. I've tested out a lot of the stuff that came in both the BoxyCharm by Ipsy and the glam bag, and I do have some thoughts for sure. That video is coming. We do have this, but first I want to say, if you are new, my name is Stephanie. I love all things to do with beauty, makeup, cosmetics, skincare, you name it. So if you like anything really to do with beauty, then please hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. I would love to have you. Also, if you do like subscription boxes, anything of that nature, please give the video a thumbs up. That would really help the channel out, and it will let me know that maybe I'm doing something right. The bell, very important. We already know that. Oh my gosh, because when I upload, sometimes I throw a winner's name up in random videos. You definitely want to be aware of that. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay. So this subscription, it's not been open, guys. I don't even know what's in it because it was sent to me to show you guys. And that's right. Guess who's back? Our lovely Tammy. And she has new social media handles, guys. And I'm going to link all of that down there if I can get this open because, you know, your girl. I want to also mention really quickly while I'm opening this and getting it out. Just did a video about her hair. Now, y'all know that this hair situation that I've been going through is going on over a year now. And yeah, I did stop taking my medication, which was the worst thing I could have done. I'm starting over, and I'm also going to add a couple things to the regimen. But really, guys, the situation up here is not good. And I just want to say, like, kudos to Just Dan for coming out with that video. Because when I was watching her, you know, she was showing everything, I swear I was looking in the mirror. And I'm not kidding when I say that. So I will link that video down below as well. Please go take a look at that. So when I do mine, you guys aren't completely shocked, okay? Just saying. All right, this subscription is $15, no tax unless you live in the state of Arizona, and shipping is free. So that's awesome. And she did send me some notes. Now, we talked about it, her and I, and I do have some memory about it, but she did write this out ever so neatly. Oh my gosh, she got beautiful handwriting. Okay. So it says, no special request. Everyone will get the same unique items. Sometimes there may be variations due to limited supply. It will be the equal value. So if she has like limited amount of these and she puts something else in there, they will all be of the same value. Okay, so the bag will total the same in every aspect. Ordering is done through email. I will put it up here and I will also link it down below. Go to that email and sign up. PayPal invoice will be sent every month to be paid, okay? No discounts for quarterly or annual memberships offered at this time. Now remember, guys, she kind of rebranded a little bit. She took care of some things she had going on and she's coming back. Now she's not doing a full-on, like, you know, box subscription. She's starting here, and that's how she's just gonna grow. This is very important. First of all, major apology to Tammy. You guys know that I've been trying to catch up with everything. I had something going on with my son. I had to take care of that. So this video is going up a little later than it should, and I do apologize. So you will have a few days right now to order what you're seeing right here. Between the 1st and the 15th, you will get this month's subscription. If you order after the 15th, from the 16th to the end of the month, you will get the next month's subscription. She did this before. It's not like any kind of different when it comes to that. That's why I'm really trying to get this video up. You have a couple days to order if you like what you see. On the 16th starts a new set of products, okay? And that is how it goes. And guys, shipping is as follows. Subscriptions will be sent out on the 17th of the month unless the 17th falls on a business day or a holiday. And in that case, it will be the following business day. The value of the bag will be at least $25 in retail value. Okay, so you're paying $15, you're at least getting $25 or more. And also when you're like, you know, emailing her, include your month of birth to snag a bonus item that month to celebrate yourself. Oh, that's cool. So if you subscribe on your birthday month, you'll get an extra item. So she's trying to like say happy birthday to you. It will be coming in a bag like this if I remember. If not, Tammy will correct me on that and I will go in and change the description box, or I'll pin a comment, the first comment. You do get a card that describes the item and then a little something about that month, and then you will have the retail value. Okay, so we're gonna leave that there. I don't want to see what it is yet. You do get your little card that says thank you for your purchase. I love them. They're so very cute. I include them a lot of times when I do like my Macari sales and stuff. Let me know, guys. You want me to do a palette sale again? Like, what's up? Because yeah, there's so many palettes, and before I put them over on Macari, you know, I'd like to see if you guys want them. Listen, if you see anything over there, please message me here. Okay, I really can't get into why, but Macari has like fees, and there's, you know, 10% whatever. Yeah, just message me over here. It's just much more easier that way. That's all I'm gonna say. So comes in these little cute mesh bags. Okay, remember, you will get the 2 earrings unless she otherwise specifies. This is a woman-owned subscription. She does everything handmade, and she pours her heart and soul into it, guys. She really does. She busts her butt, like, not kidding. You do get your subscription in this. It's tied oh so nicely. This subscription consists of 2 pairs of earrings unless otherwise specified. Okay, like, and obviously that will be for the next month coming. I think she may be having someone else open these as well. I'm not sure. If I don't get my butt in gear and get these things up on time, I know she will. So it does have a little thing. It says thank you right there. Okay, pretty packaging. Tammy and her packaging, I love it. It's so cute. All right, and she has her little love paper. That's what it comes in. And then here we have the earrings. Okay, she really does make some gorgeous pieces. I think she's very talented. That is my personal opinion. Well, you know, guys, go back to any of my Unconditional L Studio subscriptions and see what she's capable of. I mean, it's crazy, you know. So it has a little sticky on the top. All right, so you just want to pull that up and then it will drop down. These are the green pendulum earrings, and these are hooks, guys. Now, she does have different style earrings. Ear nuts come with all hooks. I know what she's talking about. I didn't know that's what they're called. I always talk about these right here. Let me hold it up like this. Maybe that will help. You see those little plastic things right there? That, I like those because it just gives me added security. Now, these are called the green pendulum earrings. Very pretty color of green. And I am liking that because, you know what, look. You put them in and there they are. And they're very pretty. And they swing and they move and the light will bounce off of them, I'm sure. So there you have this one. Now I put that little plastic ear nut on. That's what it's called. And that is a good idea. It really does. I mean, not that these are going anywhere. It was very easy to put them in. So let me go ahead and I'll zoom you in and I will show you. Okay. Now look, you can wear them with your hair up. You can wear them with your hair down. You know, no problems, no worries. They're very simplistic, but very nice at the same time. I like that. Okay. And here's the other one. I will hold it up, okay, so you can get a general idea of what it looks like. So there you have it. And again, I will zoom you in. Yeah, I really like that. And it's summertime. It's a nice, vibrant color. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so that is the first pair. You know Tammy. She always has like a theme, or there's a reasoning behind why she includes what she includes. Always. How do we say it? Always a method to our madness. Okay, so we do have the second one. And again, it's wrapped up. Guys, look at the paper. Look at the paper. Little dinosaur. This is very cute. I mean, there's a little touches that, you know, it's like detail, you know what I mean? And she does definitely pay attention to detail. Okay, these are very pretty. So you give you something nice and light. And then you have this. It has the same hook. And you have the same little like thingamajiggy right there. Can you guys see that? Let me hold it that way. See it like that? Okay. Now, let me show you. This is called the sWorld hook earrings, okay? So now you have something a little more like, you know, it would help if I took the back off. I'm like, why is it going in there? No, I have to take the little ear nut off. Oh, look at how quick and easy that was. Wow, okay. That is so cool. And then I'm going to put this on because, yes. So there you have it. I will go ahead and zoom you in so you can get a little bit of an idea what they look like. So there's that one. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'll hold it here with my shirt. Matter of fact, let me do this. They're very like, I don't know, they're not like overly done, but they're very nice just the same. And I like the hoops. They're so easy to put in. If I can do them, anybody can, seriously. I do like the little pop of color, you know, the green, because that is summertime color, and it's a very pretty green. And I've been doing a lot of green looks, so they're gonna come in handy. Okay, so there you have it. Let me pull my hair out the way. I will zoom you in and you can see what they look like. And they're very, very nice. I can see them right now in the monitor. Remember guys, $15. So essentially each pair is $7.50, and they're very well made. So I'm liking it. Really quickly, we will go over the prices. So the swirl hook earrings, which are these right here, these are $12.95. Remember now, she's doing this by hand. She's using her supplies and her time. So essentially, you're paying for her time, her effort, and her love, because Tammy always puts a lot of love in everything she makes. I can attest to the fact. I have been on video with her while she was making stuff, and how she does it, I don't know, guys. Like, I know I couldn't do it, you know? This is called the green pendant earrings. They are also $12.95. So it gives you a total of $25.90, all right? So it's almost $26, and not only that, everything is included in the $15. Unless you live in Arizona, then there will be sales tax. We'll be receiving 2 items, and I think she's starting off with earrings. If that changes along the way, I will be the first to tell you, or she will probably do it. I'm going to link all her social media handles down below. At the very least, follow her. Check this subscription out. $15. I mean, you know, for something that's handmade with love, the quality's there, and I mean, it's for everyone. I can see what she's doing. She's kind of staying within the realm for now, so everyone can be happy. Let me give something that everyone can get use out of. So the card says June 2023. That is for June. What a kickoff to summer than simple, elegant swirls and bright green pendulum earrings. I gave an everyday and pop of color to start the summer months. I wanted to give a staple look and a fun look to complement everyone. And exactly what I just said. Now, guys, I didn't read this card before, okay? I didn't. This is the first time I'm reading it. And she didn't really get all into it. She just kind of said, like, this is what I'm going to send you. It's going to have 2 earrings and then the prices. So that's really what we went over. But I can absolutely see that. Like, I can absolutely see what she just said is exactly what you're getting. Exactly what you're getting. And she nailed it. You know what I mean? You have something that can wear it out. You can wear it with jeans. It's very versatile. Then you have a pop of color. You know, like if you want a color, like you have either or. You know what I mean? If you can't get used to something, I'm sure you could gift it to someone. You can get it for your granddaughter, your niece, your nephew, your sister, your mother, what have you, or yourself. Nailed it again, Tammy. All right, $15, right? Everything included, shipping, tax. Unless you live in Arizona, then there will be tax, but shipping is free. That is a $4 value right there. And you are guaranteed to get $25 or more. So, you know, if you want to support a woman-owned business, you want to help her get her feet off the ground again, so to speak. Now, I'm hoping everyone will see it. I will put a community post up. I will put it over my Instagram. I will share this video everywhere. Please, guys, if you see this video, if you like any of these things, just share the video out, please. Please, please, please. I would really, really appreciate that. That way more people can get to see this and like maybe like order and, you know, and then next month maybe we can do this again. I would love to do it. And I promise that I will do the video the minute I get it. My problem is I can't set something down and walk away, because then it seems like something always happens and I hate it. So, you know, I'm not trying to get too overwhelmed, but I really need to like get my butt more in gear and edit quicker. I know I'm just like learning again, but yeah, I'm trying to do my best. So guys, let me know down below, what do you think about the subscription? I think it's cute. And again, she's just kind of like, you know, dabbling and, you know, just coming back in a very like subtle way. And I think that's great. All right, guys, that is it for me. Thank you for clicking and watching through to the end of the video. If you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. That would really, really help the channel out, and I would love to have you. And also, please, mental health check-ins, just check in with yourself. Make sure you're doing okay. You know, get in touch with any negative feelings. Perhaps do you see a pattern? That's something maybe to get with maybe a counselor or a good friend and talk about, okay? And in this crazy mixed up world, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. Thank you, Tammy. Great stuff. Till you rally, see them. You don't rally until you rally, see them. And I've been doing a lot of green ear looks. Really? Did I say ear looks? Yes, I did.